You're picking which products to sell or promote on TikTok Shop, and all you have to go on is your feed. The numbers that matter: units sold, real pricing, who's dominating a category, sit-inside tools charging $60 to $200 a month. TikTok Shop Scraper pulls the same data for any keyword, and the output is structured exactly the way AI tools need to work with it. I'll show you how to cover a full niche and get a complete briefing without switching tools once. The most direct way to run this is from inside Claude. With the Apify MCP server connected, the setup takes about 2 minutes. Link is in the description. You describe what you want in plain language. Search TikTok Shop for these keywords: lipstick, lip liner, lip oil, lip stain, lip gloss, lip glaze. 100 products per keyword. Claude finds TikTok Shop Scraper, runs it, and brings the results back into the conversation. If you want to see what's happening under the hood, use Apify Console. The run appears there in real time. The actor that duplicates across keywords. So 6 searches at 100 products each came back as 232 unique listings in about 18 minutes. That's a full product niche in one run. One thing to be clear about up front: TikTok Shop Scraper currently covers the US TikTok Shop only. Proxies are handled automatically, nothing to configure. If you prefer setting up the scrape directly in Apify Store rather than through Claude, the input is identical. Keywords, products per keyword, and click Start. The data that lands in Claude is already structured for AI analysis: units sold, current price, original price, stock, seller name, rating, and review count for every product. No formatting, no cleanup, no export step. That's the difference between data locked inside a dashboard and data you can actually query. Ask Claude to calculate estimated revenue by multiplying soldCount by salePrice and ranking the results. In the lip care niche, e.l.f. Cosmetics has 7 products in the top results with a combined estimated revenue of over $10 million. That's a dominant seller operating at scale in this category. And it's the kind of signal that changes which products you decide to back or avoid competing with. From there, ask about discounting. In this particular run, the top-selling brands, e.l.f., Nuni, Maybelline, all sell at full price, while the listing running's active discounts average noticeably lower sales volumes. That pattern might not hold in every niche, but it's worth checking in yours. One natural language prompt is enough for Claude to surface it from your data. Then ask where volume concentrates by price range. In the lip niche test, the $10 to $20 band accounted for more estimated revenue than any other range across all 232 products. 3 questions in, and you have a structured briefing on the whole category: dominant sellers, pricing patterns, discount signals, without having touched a spreadsheet. The complete flow from find me winning lip products on TikTok Shop to a category briefing with revenue rankings and price distribution runs in a single Claude conversation. No file export, no formula columns, no switching between tools. For tracking over time, save your actor configuration as a task in Apify Console and set a weekly schedule. The difference in soldCount between 2 runs tells you which products are accelerating. A velocity signal that shows up in your data before it shows up anywhere else. You don't need a $150 per month subscription to know which products in a category are actually moving on TikTok Shop. Connect Apify MCP to Claude, ask the question in plain language, and the data comes back ready to analyze. Structure for AI, no extra steps. Create a free Apify account from the link below and connect Apify MCP to get started. TikTok Shop Scraper is ready to go.